Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, March 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you doing today?
Good morning, David. I am a bit tired because I have 5 meetings today.
I understand that feeling well. Coffee is the only way to survive the morning. Did you read the news about Germany?
You mean the new law for the 4-day work week?
Yes. It says companies with over 500 employees must work only 32 hours now.
That is very interesting for our work-life balance.
I think it is great. I really want to work less and have more free time.
It is good for stress, but maybe it is bad for the company projects.
You are always thinking about the projects.
That is my job as a project manager.
I prefer to think about my free time.
Do you think we can do that here?
I hope so. But for now, I am still here at 9 in the morning.
True. Did you see the news about the space billboard?
The one from SpaceX.
Yes. They want to put a big advertisement in the sky.
That sounds like a bad movie.
Many astronomers are very angry about it.
I can imagine. The night sky is for stars, not for commercials.
Exactly, it is very sad for science.
I agree. If I look up, I want to see the moon, not a soda ad.
Technology is moving very fast, but sometimes it is too much.
I prefer simple things. Speaking of simple things, what about the school food?
You mean the news from California?
Yes, they want to serve only lab-grown meat in schools by 2027.
That is a big change for the students.
Do you think the kids will like it?
It is better for the planet, so it is a good idea.
I'm not sure. I like real meat from a farm.
Lab-grown meat is the future of food technology.
Maybe, but it sounds strange to me.
We need to reduce carbon emissions, David.
I know, but I love my burger.
You can have a lab-grown burger soon.
I will wait a little bit.
Everything is changing so fast these days.
It is true. First the 4-day week, then space ads, and now lab meat.
It is a very busy time for the world.
I just want to finish my sales report today.
And I need to finish my project plan.
We have a lot of work to do.
Yes, let us go back to our computers.
Do you want more coffee later?
Maybe in the afternoon.
Sounds good. Have a great day at work.
You too, David. See you later.
Wait. I have to tell you more about that German law.
Is there more to say?
Yes, they say it helps people stay healthy.
That is true. Less stress means better health.
I think my boss needs to hear this.
Good luck telling your boss that.
I will try to be very polite.
You are always very funny, David.
I try to be happy at work.
That is a good way to live.
Do you think the space ad will be bright?
Yes, it will be very bright at night.
That is bad for my sleep.
I agree, we need dark skies.
Science is important for our future.
Yes, we should protect the sky.
And what about the meat?
It is a big change for California schools.
2027 is not very far away.
No, it is only 1 year away.
I hope the kids like the taste.
I think they will not notice the difference.
Maybe you are right about that.
Science makes food taste like real meat.
It is a strange world we live in.
But it is also a very exciting world.
I prefer my old coffee machine.
This machine is not that bad.
It is okay, but I want better coffee.
We can buy better beans tomorrow.
That is a great idea, Alex.
I will bring some tomorrow morning.
You are the best project manager.
And you are a very good salesman.
Let us go back to our desks.
Yes, the meetings are waiting for me.
And the sales reports are waiting for me.
See you at lunchtime.
Yes, see you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.